surprised by the route, and you are surprised by the terrain, Finnmarken. And then you arrive at the first checkpoint, or the second checkpoint, and the third one, and you start to see a pattern. And then you are surprised how everybody is so polite, and how everybody is so welcoming, and how come everybody is taking so good care of you. It's almost too easy. And then you go on and you get surprised how hard it is, how tough it is, and all the time things grows on you. And once you cross the line, when you finish, things are so big that you can't explain them. You don't have words to describe what you have been through. It's absolutely a unique race you have here, and what you do is very special. There is a connection between the people here, the terrain here, the thing we do, the mountain biking, and you leave from here a changed person. Which actually leads me to the last thing, because this guy over here, he did it before, and when you have an experience like this in the baggage, I think you go into this in a different way. That has been very, very important to me, that Esben has the experience. He's been here before, and I promise you, if manlyhood is measured according to weight, even if my beard touches the ground, I wouldn't have a chance. Thank you.